Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, located on the island of Java, is an unmissable destination for a holiday dedicated to art, uncontaminated nature, and good food. Merdeka Square is home to the Monas, a national monument with a height of 132 meters and a beautiful gold leaf flame on top. A multifaceted city in which squares, streets, buildings, and inhabitants contribute to feeling part of a community. Jakarta Cathedral, the main Catholic place of worship in the Indonesian capital. Old Batavia. The soul of Jakarta is the old part of the city. Fatahillah Square. This neighborhood contains Jakarta's Dutch colonial past. Food is not just a meal, it is a celebration of flavors and cultures and traditions. Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple complex in the world and one of the most remarkable sites in Southeast Asia. Stupas are symbols of the enlightened mind and represent the spiritual path to nirvana. Seligrio rice fields, paradise among mountains, hills, terraced fields, and a unique atmosphere. The Hindu temple of Seligrio is a small sacred building located on top of a hill. Prambanan is the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia. Its shape was designed to symbolize Mount Meru, the legendary sacred mountain and home of the gods. In Yogyakarta, life still flows according to the canons of the past. Here you can find the true essence of Javanese culture. Taman Sari Water Castle, the Water Palace, is an ancient royal garden of the Sultanate of Yogyakarta. It had multiple functions: defense area, relaxation area, laboratory, meditation space, and hideout. Wayang Kulit is a traditional Javanese shadow theater. It is an ancient art form that is part of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity by UNESCO. Karimunjawa, a small and remote archipelago in North Java with turquoise water and talcum white sand. Its inhabitants live off fishing and seaweed farming. Batu Putih Beach, a hidden gem, a stretch of calm blue sea. Bobby Beach, white sand, the swings, the treehouse. Make it very suggestive. The Turtle Conservation and Education Center works with Indonesian religious leaders to promote the conservation of sea turtles. Unforgettable experience. Alano Beach, soft white sand. The water sparkles with extraordinary blues and greens. Sunset Beach, so called for its magnificent sunsets. Coral reefs, brightly colored fish. This is snorkeling in Karimunjawa. Kilik Island, amazing little island that is part of Karimunjawa National Park. Pristine white sand and crystal clear waters, a true paradise. Java, the island of 1,000 faces, from the majesty of its temples, from the lush nature, for the kindness of its inhabitants.